Alright guys, this video that you're about to watch was supposed to be included in the last video I uploaded. I knew I had videos of taking off the intake manifold, but I was super tired and I missed a bunch of clips, so enjoy the video. I guess this will be part 2 of it, because I knew I had clips of removing the intake manifold and everything else that I did that night. So yeah guys, enjoy that video. I guess for my mistake, you guys can get a quick sneak peek. That is the car currently, as of right now, and today is April 8th. So these videos are a little older that you're watching, but enjoy it guys. Where are my Honda people at? I know you guys are out there. Like, subscribe, share. Hope to see lots of support, but enjoy the video guys. Thank you. Alright guys, so I did finally remove the header. It was a bit of a pain. It's the PLM header, or PML header, and they're supposed to be slip-ons, but my friend that owned it before welded it where the header slips on and off, so I had to, it's there hanging, remove it from the mid-pipe pretty much, and now it's just caught up on the passenger axle, which will be out of the way here in a little bit. I'm trying to think what else I can do before I end this video. I was going to remove the alternator, which I think I will. I'm going to remove that. Remove the belt. Still have those 2 sensors. And that's really it I think I want to do for this video. I think I want to make the shift linkage and the axles all separate, just so it kind of breaks it down for you guys a little bit more. But I'm going to go ahead and remove the alternator. Excuse me, and I do need to use this alternator for the swap. It is different. So let's see, alternator, the AC compressor, which I need to make that hang somewhere nicely where it won't get ruined, and to where I don't have to unbolt it to get it refilled. So hopefully I can figure that out nicely. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep cruising along with this. Okay guys, I think I'm going to end the video right here. All that's left is a shift linkage and axles and then the motor mounts. So it's pretty much done. But I'll save that for the next video. But just so you guys are aware, AC compressor is off. And I moved the bolts over here. So for the AC compressor is these two bolts here. And then the two bottom ones right there. Also the alternator bolts, the same. 3 bolts for the alternator. So I did leave 1 bolt in there. Let's see. I was going to remove the starter, but since I plan on moving it all out as one whole unit with the transmission, the whole motor and transmission, I left the starter in. The header's off. Don't forget all these sensors there. There's one here. There's one on the back. There is a bracket right here that holds some sensors, which was part of the harness for the alternator, which is right here. And comparing this sensor to this one, it is different. So I'm going to remove that one and make sure I put this one onto that motor, because it looks like the plug is different. And I want this to be as straightforward as I can. So yeah, I think that's it. I don't know if I'm going to continue. I think I am going to continue it tonight. So just so you guys know, the next video will be more on this. The fuel rail, I disconnected it from right there. Also, I did pull the 2-prong is that sensor up here. I was able to reach it with a screwdriver, and this one was the bottom crank, the 3-prong one. So, which also I have to switch out the sensor that is on this one to this motor for the crank. But other than that, that's it. The exhaust is sitting back there until I remove the axle. Well, the header, I should say, the exhaust. Pretty straightforward. So I'm almost done. And yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this video helps you guys either swap in a motor or swap out, if you guys ever get to that point. But next video is shift linkage, axles. Hopefully the motor comes out, and then I could compare the all-wheel drive transmission to the front-wheel drive transmission for the K series. But thanks guys, like, subscribe, and share the video.